everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to do a comparison between two data wallets to help you decide which one suits you best. Samsung Wallet and Google Wallet. Which is better in 2025? First, we're going to look at their compatibility and device support. Samsung Wallet works only on Samsung Galaxy devices from Android 9 Plus with Knox security. It supports Samsung Pay, which is MST plus NFC, for wider terminal compatibility. It has deep integration with Samsung ecosystem like Galaxy Watch and smart tags. While Google Wallet works on all Android 6.0 Plus devices, including non-Samsung phones, it has no MST support and only NFC payments. Now, when it comes, it's also better for Pixel, OnePlus, and other Android brands. So the winner, Samsung Wallet if you use a Galaxy device, Google Wallet if you have a non-Samsung Android device. Now let's look at their payment method and features. When it comes to this, Samsung Wallet supports credit and debit cards, loyalty cards, boarding passes, digital keys, car key, and Samsung blockchain wallet. Samsung Pay allows MST payment, works on older terminals without NFC, and Samsung Rewards for cashback on purchases. While Google Wallet supports credit, debit cards, transit passes, event tickets, vaccine cards, and Google Pay P2P transfers. It has no MST support, only NFC, and it has Google Pay rewards, but it varies by bank and region. So the winner, Samsung Wallet for MST support and deeper Samsung integration, and Google Wallet for broader Android compatibility and transit features. Now let's look at security and privacy. Samsung Wallet uses Samsung Knox, which is military-grade encryption. It uses biometric authentication for fingerprint and iris scan, and it has tokenization for secure transactions. While Google Wallet uses Google Titan security chip on Pixel devices, it uses biometrics and face unlock support. It has tokenization plus remote wipe via Google Find My device. So it's a tie because both of them use strong encryption and tokenization. Now let's look at global availability and back support. Samsung Wallet is available in 50 plus countries, but is limited by Samsung Pay partnership, while some banks may not support it outside major regions. But Google Wallet is available in 80 plus countries with wider bank support. It is better for international travelers, as Google Pay is widely accepted. So the winner is clearly Google Wallet actually, because of its broader global and banking support. Let's look at extra features. Samsung Wallet has digital car key for BMW and Hyundai. It has Samsung Pass for password management. It has smart home controls via smart things. While Google Wallet has transit cards for multi-city support, Google Pay integration for online purchases, and event ticket and ID storage, which is expanding in 2025. So the winner, Samsung Wallet for Samsung ecosystem users, and Google Wallet for Google and Pixel users and transit convenience. So what's my final verdict? Which should you use? I would say pick Samsung Wallet if you own a Samsung Galaxy device and you need MST payments for older terminals and you use Samsung ecosystem like the watch, smart things. Now, pick Google Wallet if you have a non-Samsung Android phone and you need better transit and global support and you prefer Google ecosystem like Pixel and Wear operating system. For most users in 2025, Google Wallet offers wider compatibility, but Samsung Wallet is better for Galaxy users.